consistent, even heat with Thermaluxe, Remington's latest innovation. The Thermaluxe collection has a tool to achieve any styling need, from straightening to curling to drying. Do you hate frizz? Thermaluxe dries hair faster with less heat damage. The professional AC motor and hybrid concentrator are specifically designed to help reduce hot spots and deliver high, even heat for a smooth, shiny finish. The dryer also features a salon-quality fabric cord for an easy, tangle-free experience. The Remington Thermaluxe collection optimizes heat to transform your hair into gorgeous styles that last all day. Thermaluxe by Remington.